Congratulations on choosing to protect your furnishings with Microseal. While nothing can make your sofa or rug bulletproof, you have given yourself the best possible chance of preventing those spills becoming permanent stains and damage. The time will come when something is spilled on your rug or sofa, such as coffee, wine, or a pet stain. This simple emergency video can help you minimize the damage caused by your spills. You should always pre-test any treatments in an inconspicuous area and follow directions on any labels and use common sense. Some furnishings and rugs may have special cleaning requirements. You should first refer to the manufacturer's care instructions to ensure our suggested treatments do not contradict those of the manufacturer. You do not need to vary from the manufacturer's instructions because you have protection from Microseal. You will find the prescribed cleaning process is just a whole lot easier. But do act as soon as possible, as some spills will cause permanent damage if left to dry or left for a period of time. The process is simple. Blot, dilute, blot. Blot the spill with your Microseal chamois sponge. Rinse under cold water and repeat as necessary. Cover the area with a thick wad of paper towels or cloth and cover with an old phone book or heavy object. Leave for at least 12 hours to allow the remaining spill to soak up into the towels. For water-based spills on rugs, like tea, coffee, wine, soft drink, use soda water to dilute if there is a lot of contamination. For fatty or oil-based spills, such as ice cream, gravy and other foods, use the Microseal Wonder Spot to spray directly onto the rug. Again, simply blot up after scooping up as much of the spill as possible with a spoon or a blunt knife if there is surface contamination. Not all spills will bead up. As shown here, they may have been very hot or dropped from a height or be a heavy oily liquid. These spills can go between the fibres, but not into the fibres, as the Microseal has penetrated each fibre and is protecting that fibre from the spill. For fabrics, use the same method, but only use the Microseal Wonder Spot, never water, and apply to a white cloth, then blot, never directly to the fabric. As the Wonder Spot dries, it forms a crystal and encapsulates the soiling and separates it from the fibre. This process is made easier by the presence of the Microseal fabric protection. There is no need to over-apply. Do not over-wet the fabric, just let the Wonder Spot work its magic. Any ink, dyes, paint, nail polish, etc. are best dealt with by a professional.